So I just opened the gate to our neighbor's pasture, and I'm going to let the cows come over here and feed because they got a lot more grass than we do right now. You can see ours is all trampled down and getting brown and whatnot. I guess that's what it does during the winter. But if you look over here, it's a lot greener. Grass is greener on the other side, I guess. I'm trying to get Happy Cow to come over here. Happy Cow, come here. Mom. They're not like dogs. They really don't come that great. If they know if you got food, they'll follow you really quick. Mama cow. Mom. Oh, here comes Mama cow. She's smart. She's got a little bit more sense in her than the rest of them. Come on. Come on. Well, maybe she'll follow me. I need to get a piece of food. I know it'll work. Oh, I can't even reach it. They've been eating the papaya leaves. You can't really see it's in the kind of in the dark over here, but they eat papaya leaves. Come on, guys. This is like herding cats. They're just all standing there looking at me. Come on, Mama cow. Maybe if I walk over here. Ooh, here they come. Boy, they're gonna like it in here. Come on, guys. Come on, Mama cow. Happy Cow. Ooh, it's green grass. Oh. Ooh, what's going on in here? Yeah. They're liking this. All sniffing around. Little girl's eating already. Oh, everybody's eating. They're gonna have this mowed down in probably a week and a half. And this pasture goes, I don't know if you can hardly see it, but I know it's probably 100 yards down there. What are you looking at, baby cow? Come here. Baby cow's still skittish. Baby cow? They are going to be eating for a hot minute. I just thought that was, thought you'd want to see that. Alright guys, RavenSky signing out. Peace.